How to fix account has been logged for violating community guidelines on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will be talking about fixing the account that has been blocked for violating the community guidelines on Snapchat. So if your Snapchat account has been logged due to community guideline violations, you can follow the simple steps to regain access. First of all, you have to open any web browser on your mobile device, then search for Snapchat support page. Click on the initial option that is Snapchat support. Simply tap on it. Now click on the option of My account is compromised from the shortcuts. Tap on it. You will then see a list of issues. Please select the appropriate option such as My account is locked or I cannot log in. Next, you have to provide details about your situation. Be clear and include any relevant information to help the Snapchat understand why your account was locked, and make sure to include your username, correct form of your email address, and identification details as well. The Snapchat support team will review your request and respond via email with further instructions or clarifications. That's it. This is exactly how you can fix the account has been logged for violating the community guidelines on Snapchat. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.